Hello, welcome back to my channel with 21st. Today I want to visit the Vinhome Grand Park. Over there is the Vinhome Grand Park. Visit and explore what are there in the Vinhome Grand Park. This is a Vinhome Grand Park located on the Nguyen Xien Street in Thu Duc, Ho Chi Minh City. Over there is the street also looks so beautiful. On both sides of the street, many beautiful building and beautiful house, and villa and house also beautiful, and the street also beautiful on the sidewalk. On the sidewalk, also many the restaurant, coffee shop, shopping, shop mall, and other things around here. Over there is so many beautiful high building and beautiful the street around here, and also the many something around here. As you can see, the garden so beautiful, and on the sidewalk, it's so beautiful. This is a great place for walking on the sidewalk. So please and beautiful green tree, many green tree on the street. Oh, look so beautiful the street around here on the sidewalk. So please and beautiful, many green tree and beautiful green tree covered on the street and the sidewalk. This back way for walking around here. And over there is the bus. The bus brings people come here to visit Vinhome Grand Park. Also people and taxi. And here also, many there's something around here. Coffee shop, food shop, and spa shop, and food shop, and many things. Okay, the sidewalk is so beautiful. Looks so cool and pleasant atmosphere around here. Also beautiful building and apartment. Many shopping mall, coffee shop, food shop, on the high building. Also many services around here. And this this small service for bring the people from here to visit somewhere around here. So shifted over there. Also many shop and service around here. And the sidewalk also looks so nice and likewise, and clean, very clean, and beautiful green tree, many green tree covered on the sidewalk. Looks so cool and pleasing atmosphere. The small boat bring the people go somewhere around on the Vinhome Grand Park to visit and sightseeing. Suitable. On the street also beautiful, and the sidewalk looks so clean and nice way. Many green tree and beautiful flower, beautiful building and apartment out here. On the high building also many the service, food shop, coffee shop, shop mall, shop town also. Anything so it also suitable. Over there, so many shop house. Oh, so many shop house. They sell many things on the both side of the street. Over there, shop house. Oh, so looks so nice, and many kind of and many things they sell around here. Food shop, many kind of food store, coffee shop, shop mall, and many things. Very suitable. high building and apartment and many circuit here. Okay, this is the small but suitable and transformation circuit also suitable around here. So many over there. Also many the food shop, restaurant, and the high building and supermarket also. Many things. This is also oh, anything. Oh, the sidewalk looks so nice, nice, like the sidewalk. That's why for walking around here to relax and enjoy pleasant atmosphere. Oh, the street also beautiful and on both sides of the street on many street coffee shop also many coffee shop and food shop, food store and shopping mall and many things also food, food around here. So many taxi and car also must move around here. Many shop house look so nice. Okay. Oh, look so beautiful shop. Oh, so many shop house are beautiful. Many nice coffee shop and restaurant and food shop over there Korean food also. Also, and the street so beautiful, nice way, nice ways for walking. The street also beautiful and very tree over there. Beautiful street and beautiful building. Oh, and apartment. And on both sides of the road, the street over there, coffee shop, food shop, and many things. That's why for the people sit down here to drink a free and relax. Oh, the street is so beautiful, many cars. Oh, look so cool air. Oh, over there, beautiful green tree. Also here, the bird singing and the wind blower around here. Oh, very interesting and pleasant atmosphere. Okay, looks so cool here. Wow, beautiful landscape around here. Okay. Oh, over there also beautiful street. The street also many green tree and flower tree. Oh, beautiful. Oh, let's see the small bus. Oh, bring people go somewhere to visit with Vinhome Grand Park. Beautiful landscape and beautiful scenery here. Okay, this street is so beautiful. Okay, and this way to go the park. Okay, now I want to go the park and sightseeing on the Vinhome Grand Park around the park. Oh, so beautiful. Vinhome Grand Park. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful scenery. Very green tree and the lake. Oh, cool air. Very wind blower. Decent atmosphere. Oh, this is the way for the people walking around here and have the chair. And something for the people they do exercise. Oh, this is the beautiful green tree. Wow, looks so cool air. Beautiful green tree and cool air. Beautiful and decent atmosphere. Over there, it's so beautiful. Very beautiful scenery, beautiful landscape over here. Okay. Over there, what's it symbolizer over there? Oh, looks so interesting here. Oh, beautiful. is that's great for people walking around here to relax and enjoy peace and atmosphere. Now, over there also many the circuit on the highway and also with a lot of coffee shop, shopping mall, restaurant, anything. So very interesting. I see. Okay, and also many shopping from here. Beautiful street over there. On both sides of the street, many green trees covered on the street, and the sidewalk are very clean and decent atmosphere. Oh, beautiful, beautiful street. Over there, so beautiful place. Okay. Oh, many wind blower. So, it's full of fear. So cool. Oh, many beautiful green tea. Oh, bird singing. Where's bird? Very interesting. Very nice too. Oh, this tree is so beautiful. Beautiful rabbit. Oh, beautiful. Looks so cool now. Nice way. Nice sidewalk down here. And going for walking down here to enjoy peace and atmosphere. Oh, also I got many bird singing. Bird singing, the green flower, and the sweet and so beautiful over there. Oh, many out here. So beautiful and so market, coffee shop and so. Let's get over there. Looks so beautiful on the street. Vinhome Grand Park. Beautiful. Beautiful landscape. Beautiful street. Street and beautiful highway. Yeah, that's for the people who are not here. So everything is so suitable. Okay. Nice work. Nice work for the people. Over there, oh, look so nice sidewalk and beautiful garden. Oh, the garden, oh, everything for the people that are walking around here to exercise. very interesting. So cool air. Oh, many wind blower. Okay, okay. Many circuit around here in the high building and whatnot.